It may seem a bit early to start planning your end of the summer vacation, but right now is actually the perfect time. And today we have an idea you may not have thought of. Traveler extraordinaire Tammy Levent is back, and today she's brought with her Jeff and Gina Paglialonga, the teeming twosome from Teeming River Cruises. Nice to see you all.
Good morning.
Paglialonga, nice Irish name, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's talk about these river cruises, all right? You go to which areas of Europe?
Well, what I wanted to tell you first is why Teeming River Cruises than the generic cattle call river cruises.
Okay.
Okay.
There's
really
a difference.
important. There's a big difference.
Okay.
Huge difference. One is you have hundreds of people on a cruise. You don't really get to experience the entire cruise. And with Teeming, you're looking at 90 passenger. That means you get to know everybody really well after day one.
Yeah, well, that's a nice group of people, too, because it's big enough and yet small enough to really enjoy yourselves.
And then I'm going to have Jeff and Gina talk all about the cruise, but I just want to say it's going to shock everyone that the prices start at $12.99 a person.
Oh, that's a good deal.
For 8 days.
That's a good deal. Okay, so where does the cruise go?
Well, our first cruise is out of Basel. It goes to Dusseldorf. So
8 days, 8 cities, and 3 countries.
Oh, 3 countries. Which countries?
Switzerland, France, and Germany.
Oh, nice. And the food on these?
Food is excellent.
Yeah?
It's incredible. Yes.
Amazing.
And the drink?
The drinks are always good.
But they also include you have a city app, which no one else includes.
Right. Complimentary.
Right.
We have a city walking tour app that is fabulous. They can guide around the city on their own and walk on their own. They don't have to follow a group. Like Tammy said, we're not cattle herding. You can go venture out on your own. We give you the ability. The app has a button that if you want to go back to the ship, you hit the button, it'll take you back to the ship, show you the route. You don't have to have Wi-Fi or cell service to use the app. It's pre-downloaded, and that comes with all of our cruises.
Boy, that makes everything so convenient, adding this little high-tech feature to it.
You know, the other thing is you're saving so much money on the smaller, intimate cruise that they're able, people want to go to Europe. You're traveling all that time to be able to spend more time in Europe. So if they need to add more time, then we can do that for them as well.
You want to have it be your own experience as opposed to hundreds and hundreds of people.
Exactly.
Oh, that's fantastic. And you have a little book that you give people as a memory book?
Custom-made book.
Everybody gets one of these books that's customized for each cruise, kind of highlighting the pictures and ports that we have that they visit each cruise.
Yeah.
Very cool.
We have a couple sayings, half the price, twice the fun, and explore more for less.
And it's really designed for that independent traveler who wants to explore and choose what you want to do. Don't
follow the crowd.
Don't follow the crowd. Love that. Okay.
Which could be 60 other people.
There you go. All right, for more on this trip and a whole lot more with Teeming River Cruises, just give Tammy and her team a call at 866-888-2021 or head to JustGoTrav.com. And when you book, you're going to get a free welcome gift. Tammy, you can't leave us without telling us the tip of the day.
The tip of the day. Okay, the tip of the day is I want everyone to go into their cabinet drawer, wherever you may have your passport, and look at it right now, because even though you may look at it and it expires in a month or two, it really has already expired. You need 6-month time period between your passport expiration. So 6 months prior is expired already. So make sure you have a valid passport, and let's get you on a cruise and the trip of your lifetime of a bucket list trip.
Terrific. Tammy Levent, thanks so much. Jeff and Gina Paglialonga, Teeming River Cruises. Thanks, guys. Daytime will be right back.